Have a good day everyone. Today we will see about area command. Okay, this is the first method. Okay, let's see. Type AA, enter, click object, select object, total area 121. Okay, then type AA, enter, first corner point, next point, next point, next point, enter, total area 121. Okay, then type AA, enter, add area, click, object, click, select object, total area 121, then enter, subtract area, click, object, click, select circle, select small rectangle, total area 108. Okay, then enter, then click add area, object, select circle, select small rectangle, total area 121. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the second method. Okay, now go utilities, measure, quick, click here, area 108, then press shift key and click into circle, add area, click into small rectangle, total area 121. Now press shift key and control key, click into circle, deduct area, click into small rectangle, total area 108, click into here, total area 0. Okay, now press only shift key, click here, add area, click here, now total area 121. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.